love you, Lola Liz.
We love you, Lola Liz. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Liz.
Happy birthday po, Tita Lisa. God bless po. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Hi Talis, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life and stay healthy and pretty as always. And yun, happy birthday Talis. Uwi na kayo ni Kano sa Pinas. Miss ko na siya.
Happy birthday po, Tita Lisa. God bless you. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Happy birthday po, Tita Liz. More blessings. Ingat po lagi kayo dyan.
I love you.
Lola Liz, happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po sa mga tulong na binibigay niyo sa amin.
Hey, Lola Liz. Happy birthday, Lola Liz. Happy birthday, Lola Liz. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Lola Liz.
Happy birthday, Lola Liz. Ingat ka po dyan. See you soon.
Birthday, Lola Liz. Happy birthday, Lola Liz. Happy birthday, Lola Liz. I love you, Ate Lasty. Happy birthday po, Lola Liz. Salamat po sa mga binigay niyo po sa aming tulong. Sana po pagpalain po kayo ng may kapal. Thank you po.
Tita Liz, happy birthday, Tikay to.
Hi, good morning, Liz. Happy birthday. Wish you a good, healthy, long life. Hanggang sa magkaapo ka kay Kano. Bye.
Ninang Liz, happy birthday po. See you soon with Ninong Laszlo.
Ninang Liz, happy birthday po. See you soon. More birthdays to come. And have a great day.
Enjoy your day. Hello, Tita Liz. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Liz. I love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Liz. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong birthday na to. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday ulit.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. Happy birthday nga pala yan kay Tita Liz. Yo, what's up? Ingat nyo palagi. Stay healthy. Peace, yo. Peace out.
Hi, Tita Liz. Happy 60th birthday. Ayan, welcome to the Senior Club. Ayan, palagi mong ingatan yung kalusugan mo. Miss na kita. I love you, Tita Liz.
Hi Tita Liz, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Stay safe. God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Liz. Wish you more birthdays to come. Stay safe and healthy. Alam mo naman na mahal ka namin. Pag uwi mo, gagawa kita ng yema.
Happy birthday, Lola Liz.
Wish you more good health.
Love ka namin. Ingat ka po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Liz.
Happy birthday, Lola Liz! We love you and we miss you!
Ingat ka sa Hungary.
Ingat! Love you! See you soon!
Hi, Ate Lisa. Happy 60th birthday to you. Wishing you many more candles to blow. Pussies! See ya!
Happy birthday, Madam Lisa. Greetings from Forever Friends. Cheers to 60 wonderful years. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. I love you.
Hola Lisa, feliz cumpleaños, que cumplan mucho más Saluda a tu marido Lachi de mi parte y de mi mujer Janet. Te queremos. Besitos.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Lisa. We love you.
Happy birthday, tita! Sana hindi ka ganito pagtanda mo. Love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Lisa. Wishing you all the best and more blessings to come. Thank you for everything that you do for the Filipino community and can't wait to celebrate with you. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ma. Thank you for everything. I love you. May you have many more happy memories together with the people you love and stay healthy and joyful. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lisa. I hope you had a wonderful birthday last week, but I'm thankful to celebrate you today. And I just want to say that I think you have one of the kindest hearts and the most vibrant souls around. So I'm so thankful to be within the orbit of your universe, of the Lisa Varquette universe. And my days here are certainly a lot brighter with you in my life. So thank you for all that you do for us and for the community. So thank you and happy birthday. And I can't wait to celebrate you today. Bye.
Hi dear, happy birthday! Another year older, another year wiser. Kagagaling ko lang sa work, dear. Tapos naglagay lang ako ng earrings para naman magmukha tayong maganda. At huwag kang maniwala dito sa video kasi filter lang yan. Para lang yan si Isaac at Marley. Anyway, remember those days pag nagkita man lang tayo, wala tayong ginawa kundi tumawa muna sa isa't isa. Di ko alam kung natatawa tayo sa pagbumukha natin, pariho, or we just so happy to see each other lang talaga. So, we don't really see each other very often, pero pag nagkita tayo, chika tayo ng chika, at tawanan lang, and I really missed you for that, kasi ikaw yung tao na very funny, and you are very strong mother, and a very loving sa family mo. And I felt that in you kasi ganun din ako. And not only that, ikaw yung Mother Earth ng Hungary. And I felt that kasi people loves you very much. Ikaw yung you are there to help them as much as you can. Alam ko yon. So, you know, you are very amazing and in love with everybody. And I love you for that. See you soon. Happy birthday. And wish you all the best in life. I love you. Miss ko na lahat kayo. Bye.
Hi, Ate Lisa. Happy birthday. Sana pagsiksi na din ako, kasing ganda mo ko, kasing energetic, at kasing saya. I wish you all the best in life. I love you so much and thank you for everything that you do for all the Filipino community here. Love you. Happy birthday. Have fun. No bashing.
Hello, Ate Lisa. Happy birthday. May you always be blessed with good health and happiness. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Lisa. Happy birthday. Salamat sa invitation, te. Pero alam mo naman kung ba't ako makapunta dahil nga nagkataon may bisita rin kaming darating. Kaya, pasensya na, Ate Lisa. Pero gustuhin ko mang pumunta, pero hindi talaga makapunta. But anyway, Ate Lisa, salamat ng marami. And gusto ko rin sasabihin sa'yo na napakaswerte ko na nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan na kagaya mo. For more than decade na tayo magkaibigan, kahit may pagsubok na dumating sa pagkakaibigan natin, hindi mo ako binitawan, kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo. And kahit hindi tayo masyado nakikita at nag-uusap, nararamdaman ko pa rin yung presensya mo bilang isang kaibigan, kaya sobrang thankful ako, Telisa. Kaya hindi kita makakalimutan. Makakalimutan ba kita na pag may gathering, ikaw yung nagpapasaya ng mood natin. Good vibes kasi kalagi. Kaya sobrang hindi kita makakalimutan. And Telisa, 60 years old ka na, pero mukha ka pa rin 10 years younger. Mukha pala tayo magkaedad. Kaya sobrang nakakatulong sa'yo yung pagiging good vibes mo. At saka napakabuti ng puso mo. Matulungin ka sa kapwa natin, lalo na sa mga OFW dito sa Hungary. Kaya na-appreciate ka talaga namin. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, Telisa, good health. Yun lang talaga, good health, more birthdays to come, and syempre happy life. Ayan, enjoy kayo sa party, Telisa, and sana next time maka-join naman ako. Kita-kits minsan. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Tilis.
Hi, Joyce.
Happy birthday, Tita Liza. Ang wish namin, magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthdays. At lagi kang maging healthy. Thank you, Tita Liza, for our friendship. Our family loves you. Happy birthday, Tita Liza.
We love you, Ate Lisa.
Love you too.
1, 2, 3. Oy, si Tita, may birthday, nag-party. Oy, si Tita, may birthday, nag-party. Get out! Happy birthday, Tita Lisa. I wish you a great birthday. And we wish you more years to celebrate. Happy birthday! Get out!
Happy birthday, sis. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Lagi kang naka-support sa family ko. Mabuhay ka ng matagal. Stay healthy and strong always. I love you and more blessings to come. Good health always.
Happy birthday to. Lagi kang mag-iingat. At saka salamat sa mga tulong mo sa amin, sa pamilya. Bigyan ka pa ng lakas ng Panginoon at huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. Salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday. We love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Liz.
Hello, kapatid. I love you. Nadagdagan na naman ang edad mo ng 1 taon. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon at iniingatan ka niya lagi-lagi. Maraming salamat sa mga suporta na itinutulong mo sa aming magkakapatid. Maraming salamat sa iyong pag-aalala sa amin, sa mga pamangkin. Maraming salamat din dahil hindi ka nakakalimot sa aming pamilya. Naalala ko pa noon, nung una kang pumunta sa ibang bansa, ay kami ni Nana Ewe pumupunta pa ng PLDT para mag long distance sa'yo, pero wala kaming masabing iba kundi umiyak lang ng umiyak. At hanggang ang ay tumatakbo ang rate ng pagtawag namin sa iyo. Pero wala akong ibang hihilingin sa Panginoon kundi bigyan pa tayo ng malalakas na pangangatawan na tayo magkakapatid ay magkasama-sama pa rin. Gusto kong ikwento sa inyo na si Lisa, si Mado, si Pate ay isa siyang kapatid na mapagmahal, mapag-aruga, at siya ay stricto pero sobrang sipag dahil kung hindi siya masipag hindi na mararating ngayon yung kanyang kalagayan dahil sa kanyang kasipagan. Actually hindi na siya dapat kailangan din magtrabaho, pero up to now nagtatrabaho ko para maitulong din sa iyong pamilya na nandito sa Pilipinas. Kaya malaking pasasalamat namin para sa iyo at bigyan ka ng malakas na pangangatawan. Huwag magkakasakit. At itong kaarawan mo, gusto ko happy lang, maging masaya ka. Alam ko hindi lang yung pagsasayaw ang talent mo kung ano-anong sayaw, pag sinabing isayaw mo, isasayaw mo. Down to earth ka, Jeff Rocks ika nga. At saka hindi lang yun, ikaw yung masarap magluto, maraming talent, maraming isinishare na tungkol sa pagluluto. Tapos hindi lang ikaw ata yung nagmana sa kay nanay yung pagluluto. At saka pagtatahi na rin, alam ko magaling ka din magtahi, pero wala ka ng time para gawin yung mga bagay na yun. Tapos hindi lang dancer isa kang a good leader. Kasi kung hindi ka good leader, hanggang ngayon dyan sa Hungary, ikaw rin ang kanilang inasahan sa iyong kagalingan. Kaya wala na akong masasabi, kapatid. I love you, I love you, I love you. Baka gusto mong pakitang kantang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, kapatid. I miss you. More edad ang naidagdag.
Hi Ninang! Happy 60th birthday! Stay beautiful and pretty. Good health. God bless you. Ingat palagi. Mwah.
Hi Lisa, belated happy birthday, and may you have many more birthdays to come. And I wish you have a good health, and I wish you all your dreams come true. Lisa, we are friends more than a decade, and then we are classmates then in high school, in 4th year high school. Until now, we are friends. I hope to see you again soon. Even you are far, you are in Hungary, and I'm here in Barcelona, Spain. We are contacting each other. I don't
we don't forget each other. I hope and I pray that you are happy and contented in your life. In behalf of Tony, we are greeting you happy belated birthday. We love you. Te queremos mucho. Lisa. And please give my best regards to Latsi and to your son. We love you so much, Lisa, and your family. I love you, Lisa. Te queremos mucho. Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lisa.
Happy birthday, Pate!
Happy birthday, Lisa.
Happy birthday, Lisa. God bless. Senior citizen ka na pala. Ako malapit na rin. Sana magkita-kita pa ang tropang Balara.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday. Kailan na uwi mo rin sa Pilipinas? At pag nag-umuwi ka, balitaan mo kami, dadalawin ka naming 3. Kung natatandaan mo pa, Mendoza brother. Magkakapit bahay tayo lang, dingding ang pagitan. Nasa malayo ko ngayon, nasa Sambales. Bukas pa uwi ko. O sige, enjoy. More birthdays to come.
Hello to my kumare, Pretty Lisa. I miss you. And you're 60 years young and still shining bright. Talagang pretty pa at 60, no? Congratulations on this milestone birthday. Hope to see you and visit you soon there. God bless you and may God bless you with longer life, with good health, and syempre, a happier life ahead. Congratulations, happy birthday, happy birthday, and more power to you. I miss you, and James also.
Hi Lisa, happy birthday! It's your very special day. Wishing you all the happiness in this world. Para sa aking dating kapitbahay, kaibigan, at muntik nang maging kapamilya. Ngayon ay kumari ko na. Sana ay maging mas maligaya ka pa at more blessings to come at mas marami ka pang blessings na maibigay sa kapwa mo. Of course, ang wish ko lang for this birthday of yours na sana ay unang-una maging masaya ang birthday celebration na ito, at saka syempre sana for everybody's wish na health, good health for all of us, at syempre long life. Happy birthday! Miss you! Hope to see you there soon! Ooh.